everyone, I am Sanjana Mehra. I have
Hi,
recently
myself
completed my front-end
Drishtavani. I
development
have
internship
completed my
with Unified Mentor.
internship with
So
Unified
this
Mentor
internship
as a
was very
full
wonderful
stack web
experience for
development
me.
intern. It was a
I
great learning
I worked
experience.
on
I
real
got to work
projects
on the
using
projects
HTML,
like
CSS, and
weather
JavaScript.
app
And
which uses
Unified
API
Mentor team
integration or
and
student teacher
members are
booking
very supported,
appointments
which
which
support
also
me
uses
and guide
Firebase
me
and Cloud
for
Firestore.
my future,
I had
and
such a
learn
great
me
time working
this
on this
opportunity
project
learn me
which
how I
makes
can
my
build my
knowledge
career in
or
front
my
end
theoretical
development
knowledge worked
and
into the practical
grow in
ones.
my career.
It
So I am
improved
truly
my
thankful for
skills in
Unified
HTML,
Mentor. Thank you.
CSS,
Everyone,
JavaScript,
I am
and
Sanjana Mehra. I
also
have
I
recently
happened to learn
completed
new
my
skills
front-end
like
development
React,
internship
Node,
with Unified
and
Mentor.
Firebase as well.
So this internship was very
I had
wonderful
such a
experience
great
for
time.
me.
Overall, the
I
mentors
I
in
worked
Unified
on
Mentor are so
real
supportive.
projects
Any
using
doubts can be
HTML,
solved if I
CSS, and
message them or call
JavaScript.
them
And
at any
Unified
time,
Mentor team
which was a
and
great
members
thing
are
which
very
makes every
supported, which
task
support me
easier.
and guide me
Thank you,
for my
Unified
future,
Mentor, for
and
giving me this
learn
opportunity,
me
and I
this
recommend to
opportunity
all the
learn me
students to
how
gain the
I
work
can build my career
experience
in
and the
front end
real life
development
experience to
and
this. Thank
grow
you.
in my career.